Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Cordless Cyclone Handheld Vacuum Cleaner Aqua 2-in-1 dry vacuum and wet mop from Silvercrest with EPA filter 10, modern cyclonic technology for bagless vacuuming, cordless, practical and versatile, quick to remove suction tube for easy handheld use, with electric floor brass head and LED lights at the front. Leon technology with a 3-year warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. I will test it and see how it works. So many accessories. And included, of course, we have the power adapter, 1.5 meters, with an output 26 volt, 0.45 amp, 11.7 watts power consumption. You need to charge this unit. Plenty accessories at the box, so let's see one by one how we can use them. Floor brass. If you want, you can remove and clean it. Pull this lever here, remove this plastic, and then you can remove the brass. You can clean it, wash it under the water, and then install it again here. Press, insert this plastic, and it will lock. Small wheels at the front, large wheels here, soft wheels, I like that. It will not damage your sensitive floor. Brass here, soft brass. Left and right, up and down. It can swivel left and right and up and down. Black and blue colors at the connections. The button to release this attachment from the tube. Two metal contact plates are coming in contact here and gives power this rotatable brass, because inside it has a motor, so it rotates. The tube to release, press the button and release. Metal tube. Transparent look at the front, and of course you can connect it directly at the vacuum if that is necessary. Next we have the mop attachment, the water tank at the front. You can insert 200 ml of water from here. At the base we have this soft brass around, the mop pad attachment, very easy to use. Just place it in the correct position, press, and that was all. Remove, and you can clean them at your washing machine however you want. Two small wheels at the front, soft wheels, another one large wheel here with springle. swiveling left and right, up and down, 90 degrees. So that means it can stay just like that, the whole unit with the vacuum. You can connect the tube here. Again, we have two metal contact plates, are giving power to the two motors here, and it starts rotating the mops. I like it. The accessories, 2-in-1 combination brush. Press the button, release the brush at the front. You can clean your furniture, sensitive areas, or if you don't want to use the brush, it's so easy. It locks here, or if you want, you can use the metal tube. Next is the round brush nozzle with brush attachment. You can remove that. 360 degrees rotation. Or if you want, again, you can use the tube and connect that here. So many combinations to use this cordless Cyclone handheld vacuum. The Gravis nozzle. Press the button and release the Gravis nozzle from the accessory holder. You can have the accessory holder here. And connect all the accessories. Press the button to release. Screws. We have some screws for mounting the wall bracket. So you can have the vacuum at this position. Four screws you need. And of course you need first to install the power adapter. Just press, rotate, and the cable, it will lock inside the base. So next, and that was all. Let's plug it in, because I need to charge the battery. You can remove the battery. I like that you can remove the battery, because you can replace the battery. We have soft pad here, but I don't see any connection to charge directly the battery. So I need to have the vacuum with the battery together and charge then the battery. It is a 22.2 volt, 2500 mAh. And the main unit. Now to release the container, just rotate, lock and lock here, remove the container, press this button, 600 ml, it is the maximum capacity, silicone rubber here around, you can remove the filter, metal filter, Cyclone technology, silicone rubber in here and here around, so all the dust, it will stay inside at the container. And of course inside we have the EPA filter, just pull and remove. You can clean it with high pressure air or with water, it is your choice. Washable everything, the container, the stainless steel filter, the filter, and then press and it will lock. the container here, it has this silicone rubber inlet for the dust. It comes from here, the dust. We can see in the motor here. And of course we have the on-off switch, the eco and the boost mode. The battery capacity, eco, boost. It is very easy to install again the filter. Press, it has the gap here. That was all. Locks. Rotate and it will lock. You can use it with one hand, it is very comfortable. Outlet, ventilation and filter, left and right. And of course here you can connect the tube. Disconnect. So that was all. I think it's about time. Let's give it a charge, fully charge it. It is empty. Okay. Let's wait until it will fully charge and start my test and see how it's performing, the suction power, all you need to know when you are buying a vacuum cleaner. And definitely I would like to test that. Dry and wet mop. And here it is in the container. Unlock. Very clean the vacuum. No dust. And of course, with one press of the button, you can empty the container. Clean it and reinstall. Now the maximum capacity, it is 300 ml of water inside here. Measure it. It is wet. Later I will test it with some stains on the floor. So the rotation of the speed, it doesn't matter if you have the Eco or the Boost, it is the same. The rotation for the mops. And I can see right here it is the outlet for the water. Don't leave the water in the container after you finish mopping, otherwise it will all run out. I've got some stains on the floor and left it to dry for an hour, so let's clean it up. And of course you can do mopping and dust cleaning simultaneously. So we have some left over at the floor. Maybe it is better first to make a dust clean and then mopping for better results. But it can do and that simultaneously together, dust and mopping. So if you choose to do that, that is the results. Definitely it will be wisely first make the dust cleaning and then the mopping. This versatile and powerful handheld vacuum is an excellent choice for quick and efficient cleaning around your home. The cordless convenience it allows for easy maneuverability and reach. The powerful Cyclone technology ensures strong and consistent suction, making it perfect for tackling dirt, dust and debris on various surfaces. The vacuum's lightweight and ergonomic design, which makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. The Aqua feature adds the ability to handle wet messes, providing an all-in-one solution for both dry and wet cleaning needs. The easy-to-empty dust container and washable filters ensure hassle-free maintenance, keeping your vacuum in top condition. Additionally, the range of attachments such as grease tool and brush allow you to clean hard-to-reach areas and delicate surfaces with ease. The rechargeable battery offers ample runtime, making it ideal for quick clean-ups throughout the home. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile handheld vacuum cleaner that offers powerful suction and the ability to handle both dry and wet messes, this handheld vacuum cleaner Aqua is an excellent choice. Its combination of performance, convenience and versatility makes it a standout option for any household. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more product reviews and home cleaning tips. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.